my students. Now I am going to teach the poem How to Tell Wild Animals of Class 10 by Caroline Wells. Actually, this poem does not tell anything serious. This poem has been composed only for fun. In this poem, the poet had suggested some ways, some extreme ways to recognize different wild animals. In first stanza, the poet says that if we ever get chance to go in the forest of the east and heavy beast roars, and if we feel like we may die any time, means the roar of the animal is extremely fearsome, we should think of that animal as the Asian lion. In the second stanza, the poet says that if ever you get the chance to go in the jungle and find an animal having a stripes on its body, can roar almost equally to the lion, and you feel same kind of fear seeing that animal having a stripes with yellow background, we think of that animal, and this is the simple way to know the tiger, Bengal tiger. In the third stanza, the poet says that if you find a wild animal strolling forth means in slow motion, moving towards you, and with the movement of that animal, if you feel life-taking fear, life-taking a scare, and the animal with some spots on its body and can leap along, you can think of that animal no other than a leopard. In fourth stanza, the poet says that if you find an animal which comes towards you showing extra love and wants to hug you, and the hug is so tight that you feel that animal is taking life out of you with its tight hug, you think of that animal, a bear. In the fourth stanza, the poet says that animals are known for its habits, and through these habits you can recognize that animal. Poet has mentioned two animals in this stanza. The first one is crocodile, and the second one is hyena. Hyena is known for its habit. If the hyena eats its prey, hyena seems like the hyena is laughing, and the crocodile once catches its prey, takes its food. Crocodile looks like tearing down. So these are the two ways through you can know either the animal is hyena or crocodile. In the last stanza, the poet says about the habit of chameleon, that a chameleon can change its color according to different color around itself. So the nature has given a special quality in chameleon to change its color according to situation, according to the time. This stanza tells or talks something serious comparatively to other stanzas, other many stanzas that we have come across, and we can think of it as to know the kind of persons live around us as well. I hope that you get through the poem and can easily understand it through my explanation. And this explanation must help you well.